Hi, I'm Mark Lazarus, Head of Litigation at Russell & Lazarus. The animation you're about to see is a sample of the technology we use in the courtroom that separates us from most other law firms, but more importantly, allows us to obtain excellent results on 95% of our claims. This first clip is very basic animation we used on a worksite accident that was resolved for $1.1 million. It shows the worksite area and how our client was injured when he fell from a defective forklift box. This next piece of animation reflects how a bench seat in a restaurant collapsed and also reflects what caused the injury. Our client suffered trauma to her lower back, which required her to undergo surgery. This last piece of animation is the type of animation we use when a case does go to trial. In this case, a boy was struck by a truck as he was riding his skateboard down a hill. We wanted to ensure that the jury had the perspective of everyone involved, and therefore we had the animation prepared to reflect many different angles. What you just saw was a very small sample of the technology we have that helps us better serve our clients and obtain for them the best possible results. Thank you for taking your time to review this video.